If you run an SMMA, I'm gonna give you a good list of offers right now that you can run to grow your SMMA. So let's get right into it. If you guys are new to the channel, please like, comment, subscribe. Over the last 5.5, 6 years, I've ran one of the biggest agencies on the entire internet. We've amassed over 250 plus clients that are currently active, and we've been crushing the space for a while now. And we've brought it down to having really good offers, either at events or for certain niches, and I wanna go through them. So first off, a lot of people who are in the SMMA space, they love running Ecom based because Ecom has this tangible result based on revenue and on obviously margins and all these numbers inside of Shopify and etc. Ecom's a huge niche for agencies, and there's a good offer that we were running recently that's been working really well. So what we do is let's say your program is $4,000, right? You do a $4,000 setup fee, and then you're doing 2K a month, 3K a month. Here's how we actually structured it better. So what we did instead was we said, hey, listen, just give us $4,000 up front, and then when you make the first $4,000 back, we're gonna charge you another $4,000, and then you're paying 2K a month. Let me tell you that the closing rates on the phone are way freaking higher for the offer. We're getting better quality people in the ecosystem who love a results-driven promise. This is what I'm seeing across the SMMA board is results-driven promises really do crush. Now, for other niches, we can't do these kind of guarantees because we don't always know if the lead gen business owner is telling us the truth, that people are closing people or not, right? We can't always get that info. Even through Go High Level, they could be lying. They could have someone who's closed, but we can't really see it. Even if we have them under a Go High Level sub account or their Go High Level affiliate, it still doesn't matter. We can say or ask the client how many wins they've gotten, but they could just be lying. This is a huge thing, right? That's why Ecom clients have a very high retention. So with the lead gen side, we just talk about recouping the actual investment. We talk about recouping their actual service fee, but we just hope on radical transparency that they're gonna be able to give us those numbers. This is the big thing we've done, especially with our events. When people come to our events and we're actually able to sit down with them, see where their business is at, see where it wants to go, we can actually give them an offer based on their current situation. For some businesses who are already spending money on ads, giving an ROI based guarantee is a lot easier. So we'll be like, hey, it's $2,600 a month for 6 months. There's an ROI guarantee involved in that, plus 5K for wasting your time. Now you have to have good fulfillment to push offers like that. Don't just push offers that are guarantees if you can't actually fulfill on it. Okay, keep that in mind. I see a lot of people in the space who run ROI guarantees and lead or appointment-based guarantees. Let me tell you right now, lead and appointment-based guarantees do not work anymore. I don't care what niche you're in or what you're doing. People want no risk obligations now. They want to know what their options are if the shit hits the fan or goes south. So you have to make sure that you're giving people good clarity, having good authority, having good social proof, having good clarity on what they're getting deliverable wise and expectations, turnaround times. Like they need to know these things or they're gonna leave you. There's tons of offers you could run in the lead gen space, but if you're gonna go more niche, then you could do something like, hey, 30 paying X, or I'm gonna get you 5 new high ticket home renovation jobs in the first 30 days, or we work free until you do and we pay the difference. That's a sexy offer as well. I have a girl who's running, hey, we're gonna get you 30 new paying nail clients in 30 days, and we're gonna pay you the difference for each client that we don't meet. So let's say they get 21 clients, the 9 clients we then pay from our retainer and buy it from you. So we pay the difference. That's another sexy offer, or the pay half now, pay half later. Those things have worked very, very well. The big thing I'm seeing with SMMA of recent is you have to have innovation behind your offers. If your offers suck, then they're not irresistible. And someone else who has better fulfillment and people and systems than you is gonna run those offers. So you better make sure that your offers are up to date with the current ecosystem and market behavior. Trust me, I've been in the space for 6 years now. If your offers are not dialed in, you're always predicated on people who are just buying because they trust. And most people just don't trust you because they just hopped on one call with you. You have to have good offers and get people curious, inclined, and action taking. So I hope this really helps you out a ton. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. I hope you guys love these short tad bit videos. This is all new content in 2024. I appreciate you all. Just like, comment, subscribe. Let me know any other videos you want me to post. I always look at the comment section for video ideas, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.